Yeah.
Am I supposed to try to say whiskey?
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
Say it regular. Wisconsin. Wisconsin. Wisconsin.
I'm done. You make fun of how I say everything. We're cute.
Gangsta. You can't even see it.
I like the other one.
I'm a
Where is
winner.
this car turning?
I have to go back to the mall.
I have
You just got off work.
I got pocket holes. I mean thumb holes.
Pocket hole.
Pocket holes.
There's Best Buy.
And tape people as we drive past them.
Be in my movie.
Oh my god, look at all that.
Be in my movie. I think that they just saw me.
They're probably like, I'm gonna sue you for millions.
Yeah, what if they sue me?
I don't know.
I should make some.
Wisconsin. Oh god, that sounded gross. Wisconsin.
That did sound a little gross.
Wisconsin. There we go. I heard it. It sounded like
Did you
it.
say it regular?
Yeah, I think so.
I told you so. But the last time you will kiss my lips. Now shut up and let me
my
go.
Oh!
Ah, you're a crazy bitch.
I filmed my crotch.
I should tell that story about the black lady. You're boiling. So there's this black lady, and this car's coming up really fast. Holy shit. Okay, but anyways, there's this black lady. That's really good theme music for it. There's this black lady with like white dots on her face. I don't know if she was like a Dalmatian, like opposite of a Dalmatian. But like, she wanted to go to New Berlin, and I told her it was this way. But she swore it was the other way. She's like, give me to New Berlin. And I was like, okay, it's this way. And then like, I come out later from paying for the gas, and she's like, I'm gonna go that way. And I'm like, okay. And she's like, that'll get me to New Berlin. And I was like, no, it really won't.
No, it really won't. Should I tell my black lady story too?
Oh, you have one too? Yeah.
Yeah, the one I just told
I
you.
wish I could hold it for you, but I'm driving.
Okay. So I was at work today, and I was like at the register, like doing stuff.
Oh yeah.
And some like black lady comes up, she's like, yo, got wigs. And I wasn't really listening, so I was like doing register shit. So I was like, did you say wigs? And she got really pissed at me, and she's like, no, wigs. And then I felt really bad because I pissed off a black lady. There's Amber Smith.
I was wearing my glasses for a while, but you, dude, the lights back here, dude, I'm gonna come race you now, dude.
This movie's done.
Dude,
Say bye.
it's it, dude.